Hi, I'm Richard Biederfeld-Noel. I'm 64 years old. I've been attending Fukumoto Fitness for more than a year now. And I cannot believe the changes I've seen. I mean, I was healthy before, but I was not fit. And now I'm so fit, I'm lean, I'm strong. I never was that fit even when I was in my 20s. So it's just amazing. One of the things I like about Fukumoto Fitness is that everything is graded, everything is flexible, everything is based on science, and you can move from one step to the other, and you know, it's very well done. I really enjoyed it. And the guys are nice too, so it's a nice place to be at.
And have you seen any changes in your strength or anything like that?
Well, yes. I mean, as I was saying, I was healthy before, but I wasn't fit. So now I'm strong, and I can do things which I just find amazing. Just unbelievable.
And what have the doctors said to you about when you've gone to talk about them, about someone of your maturity, shall we say?
Yeah, well, okay, I went to see a specialist in body mobility and flexibility and so on, and he was amazed. He could not believe that at 64 I could do what I was doing. And he was saying, if you can do that, you have to be in really, really great shape. So that really made my day.
And any future goals for you, Richard?
Well, I'm still working on the what Johnny calls the nutrition challenge. So I'm working on it. I'm getting better at it, but I still need to do much more. And also I have some crazy plans, like maybe doing chin-ups and stuff like that. And I know it's doable, and I think I can make it. So.
And to anybody who's watching, hearing your story, what would you say to them?
I would say go for it. I mean, you might be tempted to hold back and say, well, I'm too old, I haven't done this for so many years, I might have too much weight. Go for it. You won't believe the change, and you'll be so glad that you did.